If you're growing a beard, it's not just facial hair. It's part of how you present yourself as a man. Welcome back to Gentleman's Setup, where we focus on clean care, smart choices, and simple improvements that actually work. In 2026, men aren't growing beards just for the sake of growing a beard. The goal is they're choosing styles that look balanced and are easy to maintain. Let's explore that.
Why beard style matters.
Your beard frames your face, just like your haircut frames your head. The wrong beard style can make you look older, unkempt, or unbalanced. So what about the right one? Structure adds confidence and posture, without saying a word. In 2026, the focus is on clean masculinity, not overgrown trends. The characteristics of a boxed beard are as follows. Clean lines, the cheek and necklines are sharp. Angular form, the jawline is emphasized. Controlled density, neither too long nor stubble. Professional look, suitable for office and daily use. Care tips. Beard oil balm, softens lines, prevents dandruff. Trimming 2 to 3 times a week. A boxed beard needs definition. Razor or line trimmer, essential for edges. Clean lines, controlled length, natural density. Best suited for ages 25 to 45, professional settings. Men who want definition without feeling heavy. Suitable for square, oval, and round face types. Ideal for those who want to make their facial features look sharper and stronger. Why it works. Sharpens the jawline and stays clean even as it grows. The short beard cut blends the beard naturally downwards from the sideburns. Adjust the length. Ideal length with a beard trimmer is 1 to 3 mm. 1 mm harder, sharper look. 2-3 mm natural and fuller look. Ensure even length throughout the beard. Care and cleaning. Tips. Wash your face with cold water after trimming. Use a light beard oil or moisturizer. Do a quick trim every 2-3 days. Who does it suit? Those with sparse beards. Those who want a clean style for office every day. Those who want their face to look sharper and fitter. Men aged 20-35. Full beards are still popular, but only when they're well maintained. In 2026, the trend is natural shape, not exaggerated volume. Length adjustment, most important part. Machine setting, 3-6 mm, cheeks 3 to 4 mm, chin and under chin, 5 to 6 mm. Leave the bottom part a little longer, the beard looks. Luller fuller looking care tips. Beard oil, 2-3 drops, gives a feeling of hair thickness. Beard brush directs the hairs down and out. Trimming after showering, the beard sits more evenly. Trimming 1 to 2 times a week, not every day. Who is it ideal for? Men with sparse but potentially healthy beards. Those who want to look well-groomed but not worked hard. Those who want to make their face look fuller and more masculine. Men aged 28 to 45. A full beard should look calm, not wild. Strong, not messy. A good beard style means nothing without proper care. In 2026, smart men are focusing on washing beards 2 to 3 times a week, using beard oil for softness and skin health, regularly trimming the nape and cheek area, brushing the beard to shape the direction of growth. Healthy skin underneath makes the beard look good. If you neglect the skin, the beard will suffer too. Your beard isn't about trends, it's about harmony. When your beard complements your face, your haircut, and your lifestyle, everything feels more confident.